So now what will be the compound interest for 2 years for the amount means the principal will be rupees 1000 at the rate of interest of 10%. So here we need to find the compound interest when the number of years, n is 2 years, principal is rupees 1000 and rate of interest is 10%. So here amount, as I told you, we know the formula to find the amount, so we will start with that. So to find the amount, the equation is this. So if we put it into the formula, all the values, it will be 1 plus 10 by 100 raised to 2. So now 1000 into this 1 plus 10 by 100 would be 100 plus 10 by 100 raised to 2. So 1000 into 110 by 100 into 110 by 100. Since it is raised to 2, so 2 times. So it is 10 into 11 into 11. So 11 into 11 is 121, 121 into 10 is 1210. So at the end of 2 years, the total amount that we receive is 1210. So now the CI would be 1210 minus the P, that is 1000, 210 rupees. So you saw how easily we can put it into the formula and we can find out the value. Let's do one more problem. So our next problem is the difference between CI and SI, that is compound interest and simple interest, on a certain amount at 10% per annum for 2 years is rupees 631. That means the difference between the CI and SI is given and it is asking us to find the amount. Find the amount means to find the principal. So given values are CI minus SI is 631 rupees, rate is 10%, time is 2 years, and what we need to find is the principal P. Okay, so let's start with CI. So CI equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to n minus P. So if we, whatever values that we have, if we put it into the equation, we get 1 plus 10 by 100 raised to 2 minus P, which is equal to P into 1 plus 10 by 100 can be written as 0.1. So 0.1 raised to 2 minus P. So P into 1 plus 0.1 is 1.1 raised to 2 minus P. So the square of 1.1 is 1.21 minus P. So it is 1.21 P minus P, which is equal to 0.21 P. So the CI that we get is 0.21 P. Let's put it somewhere. Let's put it here. So CI that we receive is 0.21 P. Now let's see what is the SI. So SI will be P into R into T by 100. That is P into 10 into 2 by 100, which is equal to 2P by 10, that is equal to 0.2P. So the SI that we receive is 0.2P. So SI is 0.2P. So now we know that CI minus SI is 631. So we can write it as 0.21P minus 0.2p equals to 631. So if we subtract these two, we get a 0.01p equals to 631. 0.01 will be 1 by 100. 1 by 100 into p is 631. From this we get p equals to 631 into 100. That is rupees 63,100 is the principal.